Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to safely download and install Roblox on your Android phone using the official and secure method. If you're new to Roblox or just got a new phone and want to start playing right away, this step-by-step guide will help you get set up in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, unlock your Android phone and go to your home screen. Now swipe up to access all your apps and tap on the Google Play Store icon. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in Roblox and hit the search button. Look for the official Roblox app. It should be listed first, developed by Roblox Corporation. You'll see the familiar Roblox logo. Next, tap on the app name to open the details page. Then, tap the Install button. The app will begin downloading and installing automatically. This may take a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, you'll see the Open button. Tap on it to launch Roblox. If this is your first time using Roblox, you can sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. Remember to use a strong password and never share your account details with anyone. And that's it. You've successfully installed Roblox on your Android phone and are ready to jump into the world of games, creativity, and adventure. If you ever see an app that looks suspicious or asks you to download Roblox outside of the Play Store, avoid it. Always use the official Play Store to keep your device safe and your information secure. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you had any issues or if you're excited to start playing Roblox. Let me know what other apps or tutorials you'd like to see next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides like this.